Hello, beloveds. Coming to you from Lesvos, Greece, and I'm so excited to invite you and share with you about our upcoming event, the 9-9 Portal Golden Pyramids of Light Initiation Ceremony, coming to you live on September 9th from Lesvos, Greece, the magical island and location of the Golden Pyramids, the Golden Temple, and the new Sun Queen's throne. And this is a magical island that is now opening its new codes and its ancient codes of millions of years in these golden pyramids of light, holding the masteries and the ingrided templates for the new golden age. And this island is so special because it hasn't been connected to all the other ley lines for millions of years for safekeeping. And so now within our ceremony, they're going to open and you're going to be able to access these higher codes for your own soul's template and your own soul's evolution, and then joining and opening them and connecting them for all humanity. And so I invite you to join us. It's September 9th at 7 p.m. to 9:09 p.m. Greece time, and that's 9 a.m. to 11:09 California and 12 p.m. New York. And you can join us online in Zoom, and you click on the event page on lightpriestesstemple.com and join the sacred circle. Join and connect with us on this magic day as we have passed through the Lionsgate portal of August 8th that opened the new codes of 2022 and beyond, and opened those royal codes as we did the royal codes activation, and opened that within you and for humanity to prepare the grid as we then pass through this incredible Aquarius full moon with the sun in Leo that then changed, and with the instability of Uranus and the new energies coming in, kind of breakdown to break through, then shifting to a next higher level, because we can't move higher with the same consciousness and the same outlook. It's taking a new higher consciousness, a new way of looking at things to meet things in this unpredictable world we live in now, that we can't meet it from the same way, these impossibilities that might be before you, meeting them from a higher new way. And as we are called to come together as one container of light in union on September 9th for the 9-9 portal, only when we come together can we open and access the higher codes and amplify them and grid them for all humanity and for the next golden age, because the golden age begins within you, and you are the masters, leaders, and initiators of the new age. We are in the Aquarian age. It's not walking alone any longer. It's not the Piscean hero's journey. It's about us coming together in union, remembering who we are, stepping into your masteries, moving into your higher codes. If you've been having a knowing within you of I know I have more, I know I can reach higher, I know there's more to come out of me, a new venture, a new artwork, a new book, a new way of being, a new idea, a new dimensional frequency. That is what's being called, and that is what we collaborate and we co-create with these ancient wisdoms of the golden pyramids, the 16 golden pyramids of light, this beautiful semicircle the location is on Lesvos Island. It is in the higher realms. They have been completely off planet for so long for safekeeping and in secrecy, now to open within our ceremony. And only by your yes and by us choosing to come together can we collaborate and co-create and activate these new codes again for Earth, for humanity, and for the new golden age. And so I invite you to join me September 9th for the 9-9 portal, the Golden Pyramids of Light initiation ceremony. Open your heart, open your field, and just tune in to that frequency. Feel the call. Your soul led you here to hear this information, to remember again, and to join us in sacred space on September 9th and opening these new pyramids together. And as we open the pyramids within our ceremony, then the gifts they give to you, more joy, more abundance, more clarity of your divine soul's purpose and mission, activating your higher abilities, taking you to the next level, the new higher consciousness, your new soul's template, for the advanced golden age of the new ninth dimensional energies. And so join us and open that with us. Open the new golden age of the new masteries of the 16 golden pyramids of light. Walk in initiation, walk in the pyramids as the pyramid is within you. And just feel that energy as it all begins within you as we step into the new golden age together. Sending you so much love. See you September 9th. Go to lightpriestesstemple.com. Join us.